What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are just ranking still brainrot, new brainrot 2026 April edition. So let's go. Bopping bunny. Okay, it's
Good.
let me add it. Wait, let me add my friend. Yeah, let me add it. Yeah, you can talk.
Alright, guys. I am this. I forgot his YouTube account, but I'm his friend from school, and I have YouTube account. It's called the RL Kid 1122.
But I can show them. Let me show them, bro. Cause you like clip it, come on, clip it. I don't know. Alright, so we are doing it, so it's good though. I'm putting Buffy Bunny in, it's good though. Castle card.
Oh, Castle Card is good.
It's base, so wait.
Oh, base is alright.
If you're counting it. Oh wait, I'm gonna add. Wait.
Okay, do the max.
Yeah.
You need to go shower.
Go shower.
Bye. Yeah, let me get one more grab, please.
And traits. Alright, so yellow. Let me add that. Black. Okay, so I'm gonna add this as it's connotations. It's okay though. Yo, everybody. This is new. Well, it's new. S plus plus. Just S. Just S. This. Okay. So let me just tell you this. This was worth drags, bro. This was worth drags. Now it's only worth like a tank. So it's decent. Then that's okay. Could drag. Okay, this like let me just show you it. El Dorado. Let me just flip and show you how much these are, bro. Let me just show you how much Arca Dragons are actually like worth. Okay, so I'm in this shop now. Arca Dragon. Look! The base especially £930 for this single bill. No, wait, wrong one. So this is going to S++. Let me show you how pancakes and syrups are too, because I'm gonna show you how much they're actually worth. Pancake, cake, and syrup. Pancake and syrup are £93, bro. Okay, let me show you Weekends and Evers. They drop so much value, bro. 100. Nope, it's £17. Let me go to. Oh wait, that's gold. Wait, no, that's gold. It's gold though. Okay, that's weird. I think that's. I don't know. I don't know though, because this guy said it's tanked and like he still knows values. But okay, wait. Wait, no. What are you doing? No, wait. Let's go up. I'm gonna add low. Don't know if good. I'd say don't know if it's good. Where is it? Globe Stepper, that's okay. Trash and trash. Okay, wait. What is that tin spoon be on? Well, let me just see if I can find it or not. I don't know any. Wait, let me see. I don't know any like tennis ball brainrot. What is it? Wait, ball? Tennis ballini. This isn't even good. Let me see it. If I do like a Gavamama, don't know. 4, 10. 10 is Wolverine. Let me see what's Phantom or not. Let me see as, wait. But what? 10 mil? Yo, how's it? Yo, what? So, what? Wait. I don't even know what's happening. Oh, that's it. Wait, let me see on Eldorado. Let me see how much it is actually, so I know you like 10 is boy. But what? It's not even official. Okay, so says L. But can't even. Okay, wait. Finally, I can. Alright, this is trash. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. Yo, ain't this like trash? Ain't this like trash, you know? Ain't that trash? Swear that's trash, you know? Wait, what's that? Lemon, what's that? Wait, zucchini. Wait, is that a duck? Wait, duck? Lazy duck. Holy, wait, how much is a lazy duck? What? A lazy duck? Wait, a lazy duck? What the hell's that lazy duck? Lazy duck. $5.99. Let me see what's. Oh, it's a rare secret. Wait, for what? Llama. Yo, I'm gonna say that's really good because people are saying it's good. Let's just put in S tier. Let me put in S tier because it's better than the grandma. Yo, let me see if it's good. Let me see if it's good. Wait, let me see if it's better than. Okay, let me see if it's better than. I just want to see if it's better. Okay, no, these are not shit. Okay, let me just see if it's better than this because I think it's. Damn, my friend. Let me see Rubico. Let me see Rubico. Pickle. Okay, no. But if it's imaginary, if it's lava, diamond. Let's do diamond. Ah, is it diamond though? If it's diamond, wait. What if it's phantom? What if it's phantom? What if it's phantom too? 17,000. What if it's cursed? No, I'm definitely losing valuable. Cyber. What if it's cyber? Wait. What? 17,000? Okay, that is baloney. Don't even know what's happening with this. Okay, so this is a S plus. Okay, so guys, this is good. This is April Taylor. So yeah.